Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn some of the quick ways to filter and aggregate your data. Let's click on the find icon. So here, let's check the data that is available in the firewall stream in the default duration of 5 minutes. Here, if I want to filter only those observations where the value of action is say packet allowed, I'll click on this packet allowed value, and from filters, I will select and filter. This indicates that in the last 5 minutes from the stream firewall, select only those observations where the value of action matches with packet allowed. Now, if we click on say this action is equal to packet allowed here, and instead of and, if we select not as a filter, then it will display all those observations where the value of action is not equal to packet allowed. So let us just click on search again. So as you can see, it will consist of all those observations where the value of action is not equal to packet allowed, the condition that we mentioned right now. Like a filter, we can apply some quick aggregations as well. So for example, here I want to aggregate and want to know that what are the unique values that are present in the action column. Then I'll simply select distinct function from the aggregate on that action column, and I'll click on search. So it will help me to understand that what are the unique actions that are available in the given duration and in the given stream. And it also helps us to understand the count of observations associated with that action or associated with that, the unique value that is present into that column. Now, like count unique, we have another aggregation functions as well. So let's try to explore them. So here, as we can see, there is a field called as event length, which is nothing but the log length in bytes. So if I want to know that what is the summation of the event length, then here I'll select the function as sum, and I'll simply click on the search icon. So this is providing me the summation of all the values that are present into this event length column, and this is the result. So like we have used sum here, instead of that you can use minimum to get the minimum value. You can use max to get the maximum value. You can use average to get the average value as well. So I hope this tutorial helped you in order to understand that how quickly you can apply filters and some aggregations on the data that's available across all the streams in the NIF. Thank you for patiently watching to this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll try to explore more such exciting concepts related to the NIF. Thank you.